All right, so this is a side project for you guys, a side quest. So you are going to create your own color wheel, your own creative color wheel. So the objective is to create a 12 color wheel, adding your own design / flair to it. So that means your own pizzazz. So these are actually samples from other students because I gave this to a couple of kids that were done with one of the activities and they were ready to move forward. So I gave them this, and these were some of their creations. So your peers' work. So this one is kind of fun. This one is like a flower design, and they added the extra flowers on the outside, which I thought was nice. These ones are created by using the technique that I'm going to show you at the end, and then designing over them, which I thought were both really beautiful designs. These two are really awesome as well. The one on the right is a little more simple. I love the one on the left with the white drawn over the color wheel. That is really, really fantastic. And then the steps to success. So using Autodesk Sketchbook, okay, you're going to go into your sketchbook, and I'm going to use this as like a little guide right here, all right? So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to use this tool, the square and the circle. You're going to make a circle, okay, and it's going to fill your page. And I have a little video that I made of a time lapse of me doing it, but the only problem is it doesn't show the tools. So I can't show you how I did it with the tools because they go away when I make the time lapse. So I'm using this as a sample, although it's just a screenshot. So this is the circle and the square. So you make a perfect circle. And then if you need to make it bigger, you use this and you transform it, and then you can make it larger. Once you've done that, you click on this, which is kind of like a, I don't know, funky, I said an S shape, but it's not really an S, just a swirl shape. And it's symmetry, okay? So it's symmetrical. So when you click on it, what you'll do is you'll pull up 3 options, and the third one over will be a radial design, and you'll have to move the scale, the numbers, okay, up to how many sections you need. And you need 12 sections because it's a 12 color wheel. You're going to draw that over your circle. And then once you've done that, you're going to take your pen tool. All right. And I would suggest you I like to use the mechanical pen tool. It doesn't look like it's out here in this options. So the mechanical pen tool, because it's nice and thick, it's bold. It doesn't have any holes in it. Like the pencil sometimes lets color leak through because there's little holes in it. So so then you can go through, and what you can do is you can draw the line into the center. And once you do that, you will have the sections, okay? And then you can use the paint bucket and drop the colors in, and then you add your own design over. So this shouldn't take you too long, but it's just kind of a fun activity to complete the color wheel on your own. Now here is the video of me creating it, okay? So you can see I made that circle, then I put the sections in. I'm just closing off the edges, and then I fill it and then do another radial design over it. So that is just a little sample example. I'll do it one more time for you because it goes pretty quick. So I set the circle, I did the lines. I was just kind of fooling with different lines. Then I have my sections. I make sure they go out to the edges because I just wanted to fill that space. And then I go ahead and I start adding my colors. Okay. So go ahead and do that. And it is Creative Color Wheel. Good luck. Can't wait to see what you create.